I told him that I didn't want this to happen. I didn't even care. I didn't even care. I didn't know where he was coming from. I didn't know what he was doing. He told me that no one would ever find out. But I did find out. Why? So you think the audition will go well, or?
That was pretty lame.
Now that I am on my own, I can't explain the way I'm feeling. I question everything I know. I can't believe what she said. It went straight to my head. I'm liking this.
Thank you for teaching me what's lame and what's not.
You're welcome for me teaching you what's lame and what's not.
Well, Satan Dog, it looks like it's just me and you. Just me and you. You get that? The me and you thing?
Oh my god, my sweet fucking face, it's on fire! I can't even breathe.